In this video, I'm going to explore the cost of division and how we heal the archetype of separation. This is a script that I have written because I really wanted to make sure that this information and this message was clear. Across the world, we see voices rising in fear, in anger, in blame, in hate. They speak of enemies, of borders, of who belongs and who does not. And many believe they are protecting something sacred. But when we sow fear and hate, we are not defending light. We are extinguishing it within ourselves. Every act of oppression or hate or separation is an act of self-harm, because the same life that breathes through the one you condemn is breathing through you. When we deny one another's humanity, our own soul contracts. When we spread division, we fragment the wholeness we were born to remember. Many traditions call this shadow the devil, not an horned creature in the sky or in the earth or in hell, but an archetype of separation, the energy of fear pretending to be power. When we embody it through policies, words, or silence, through physical acts of violence, we feed the illusion that anyone can win when another suffers. But in truth, no one wins in separation. It poisons the well from which we all drink. The good news is that every moment gives us a choice to speak peace instead of propaganda, to protect rather than punish, to remember that justice and compassion are not opposite, but two wings of the same bird. When we choose love, we are not being naive. We are not being weak. We are being courageous enough to live as if all life is sacred. Because it is. So for those of you who lead with fear, pause. Look inward. The division you are creating outside is the wound asking to be healed within. The only real power is love embodied in action. Everything else collapses in its own weight. When we choose unity over separation, we stop serving the archetype of fear. We stop embodying the archetype of the devil, and we begin serving the consciousness of love. We begin serving the consciousness of God. And in that remembrance, the world begins to heal, starting with us. I really hope that you will find your path to healing yourself, because when we heal ourselves, we truly can heal the world. My book, The Divine Within, Healing Ourselves to Heal the World, which is available on Amazon and other online platforms, it offers you a path to self-exploration, a path to understand where you are separated from love within yourself. And it challenges you to question why you believe what you believe, why you do what you do, where you are living in separation. It is each of ours responsibility to do our inner work. I invite you to begin to do yours.